Hello again, YouTube. Welcome back to EWA English. My name is Adrian Nero, and today we're going to learn how to say, I'm sorry, in English. Hopefully you don't have to say sorry very often, but unfortunately for me, as a Canadian, I say sorry a lot. Because I'm Canadian, and Canadians say sorry all the time, yeah. So just very simply, if you need to say sorry, you just say, sorry.
Sorry.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Again, very sorry.
If you're not on time, you can always say, I'm sorry I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late. My duck and my chick had a fight. It was ugly.
In more serious situations, you might have to say, I'm sorry about what happened.
Just want to tell you that I'm sorry about what happened tonight.
And what happened can mean anything. Even if you don't remember what happened, all you have to say is, I'm sorry about what happened. If you find yourself on the metro and you step on someone's foot, you might say, excuse me. If you need to get someone's attention because you want to ask for directions, you might have to say, excuse me, where's the tower entrance, please?
Excuse me.
If you pass gas, that is, you burp, or the other one, you fart, it's generally polite to say, excuse me.
Oh, excuse me.
If you're in a rush and everybody around you is walking way too slow, you might say, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me, excuse me.
Excuse me.
In order to sound really sincere, you might say this, I apologize.
I apologize.
Was that offensive? I apologize.
Caller? I apologize. I am a horse's ass.
When someone is apologizing to you, you can either say, apology accepted.
Apology accepted.
You can show that you're not very sincere by your facial expressions.
Apology accepted.
When you want to apologize in a really desperate way, a popular phrase would be, please forgive me.
What? Please, John, forgive me.
Please forgive me.
Please forgive me. See you around.
A casual way to accept someone's apology would be to say, never mind.
Never mind.
Never mind. If someone is very insistent with their apology,
Rach, I am so sorry. I am so sorry.
and you want to forgive them in a very casual way, you can simply say, don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Don't worry.
Oh, don't worry. It's only my life you ruined.
Don't worry!
Something a little more formal would be, you don't have to apologize. That's something you might say to your boss because he doesn't have to apologize anyway. And that's when he would say, I wasn't apologizing. That does it for another episode of EWA Learn English. Download our app. The link can be found right below. Hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. Like us on Instagram. Thank you for watching, and I will see you next time.